Welcome to my channel. This is Ganga Bhavani. So we are going with the conditional statements and loop. So here we go with the first topic, that is nothing but objective. If and else are the two most frequently and conditional in C and C++. They are enabled to execute zero or more conditional statements. As we know that conditional statements are nothing but if, else if else and else if ladder, nested if, all this are comes under the conditional statements. So let us see the task directly. So task is given a positive integer denoting n. Do the following. Okay. If 1 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 9, print the lowercase English word corresponding to the number. Example ONE1. If you are giving in a words that ONE1, the number 1 should be printed for 1. Okay. If I give a number 2, that TWO2 should be printed till 9. Okay, till the digit 9. So if n is greater than 9, then it should be printed as greater than 9. The input format is the first line contains a single integer n. Constraint is 1 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 10 power 9. The output is nothing but it should be printed with the words. So if I give the input as 5, FIVE should be printed. If I give 8, EIGHT 8 should be printed. If I give the input as 44, it should be printed as greater than 9. So now I'm going to write the code here. First I'm resetting the code. Okay, after resetting the code, you need to write your code here. Okay, now first you need to take the input. How will you take the input? Already they have given the input everything here in build code. So you need to just write the code which is having, like for example, so you need to write here is the if conditions, just if conditions. That is nothing but if n is greater than or equal to 1 and operator n is less than or equal to 9. Okay. Now enter, open the bracket. If n equal to 1, it should be printed as printf double quotes, you have to write ONE1 and semicolon. Now if n equal to 2, it should be printed as printf as TWO2 semicolon. If n equal to 3, printf, it should be printed as THREE 3 inverts. Okay, next if n equal to 4, then printf, it should be printed as FOUR4 and semicolon. Next if n equal to 5, it should be printf, it should be printed as FIVE5 semicolon. Next if, it should be printed as if n equal to 6, it should be printf SIX6 semicolon. If it should be printed as n equal to 7, then it should be printf as 7 SEVEN7. And then if n equal to 8, it should be printf as EIGHT 8 semicolon. If n equal to 9, it should be printf as 9 N9 NE9 semicolon. Now close the bracket here. Now here you have to give the else part. Else statement should be printed. No need of this. So I'm directly printing here printf. It should be printed as greater than 9 and semicolon. Close the bracket and return type, return 0. And now run the code and check whether all the test cases are passing or not. Yes, congratulations. Submit the code. See whether all the hidden test cases are passing or not. Okay, this is what is the code. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, share to my channel for more updates. Let us wait. It is getting loading. To submitting the code. Yes, congratulations. So bye bye. See you in the next